Okay, I like to. Here are my dogs. The brown one is Sol, and the black one is Luna. But I like to shout out to two YouTubers. First one is Popular Mimose. I don't know why, but he doesn't like dogs. Well, actually, I do know why. But he has a cat. It's a Persian one. And look it up. But it's a cute. They named him Cloud, and it's a boy. Okay, my second YouTuber, Dan TDM. He makes a lot of funny YouTube videos, and they're great. He has two dogs. They're pugs. I forgot their names, but I forgot. Well, Luna, she likes to eat the snow, but I don't know about the dirty one. Like the dirty snow that we all stepped in. But Saul just likes to sniff around and see what he can find. Also, they mostly like to fight a lot. Never mind. I just saw them fighting. Peaceful. Just peaceful. So peaceful. Nothing could ever happen. Nothing could ever happen. No. Oh my God! Clear things are gonna happen. Never mind. Where things are going to happen. Down in the eyes. What? Look at him. Luna, you're on camera. You're watching. Let's see what you're doing today, son. I'm out here. I don't know. Luna, stop it. I don't know how long, but I've been out here for a while. Because, no, you think I only been out here for not that long? But I have to keep on recording because people keep on calling. And it's messing me up. Peaceful. 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 Well, it's mostly peaceful. But probably, yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna do some gaming. Like, you guys could pick my gaming. It could be Roblox, probably Minecraft. Oh, I don't know about Minecraft, but it probably won't on my iPad. Well, I don't know, but just tell me what you want me to play on gaming tomorrow, okay? Just leave it in the comments, okay? Okay, I think this is probably going to be a wrap because it's just peaceful. It was violence. Oh my God! Violence! Is it going to happen? Peaceful. Please don't tell me there's not yellow snow. Because if there is, oh.